Check wall, it is also called as a unidirectional or one way or non-return wall. Figure shows construction of check wall. It has a spring loaded puppet ball type which will lifted off its seat when a fluid pressure is entered through an inlet. Thus, fluid gets sufficient passage to flow towards outlet. This wall does not allow fluid to flow in the reverse direction. So all of you see symbol of check wall. So this is a symbol of check wall, a symbol, and upper figure shows construction. This is a construction of a check wall, and this is a symbol, okay, of check wall. Figure A shows no flow condition. When a check wall we can use, in that check wall no flow. And in a second figure number B, figure B shows free flow. Okay, so operation of a check wall. This is a construction of check wall, and this is a symbol of check wall we can use in hydraulic as well as in pneumatic system. Next one is a 2 by 2 wall. Its meaning is two-way, two position directional control wall. It has a two-way, two position for fluid flow. It has a pump port I which lets the fluid come in and a port which lets the fluid come out. Each port is connected to an internal passage. So we can see here a 2 by 2 directional control wall, two-way and two position directional control wall construction, and its symbol. So figure A shows wall in the normal position and figure B shows wall in actuated position. So both type of wall, two-way and two position wall construction shown here, as well as inside. This is a symbolic presentation of two-way and two position directional control wall. Okay, so this figure shows complete graphical symbolic presentation symbol. Okay, so this is a symbol also shown. This is symbol of two-way, two position wall. And first figure, this is a construction. This is also construction of two-way, two position wall. So first figure A shows wall in a normal position, and figure B shows wall in actuated position. Okay. So next directional control wall is 3 by 2 wall. Its meaning is three-way, two position directional control wall. Three-way, two position directional control wall. It has a 3 port, 2 spool positions. In one position it connect P port to A port. In other position it connect A port to T port. This wall is used to operate single acting cylinder. This type of wall we can use in single acting cylinder only. Okay. So we are construction of three-way, two position wall. All of you see. Figure A shows wall in a normal position. Okay, this figure shows wall in a normal position, and figure B shows wall in actuated position. Okay, this is a symbol of three-way, two position wall, 3 by 2 directional control wall. This is a symbol. Next is a 4 by 2 wall. Its meaning is four-way, two position directional control wall. Four-way, two position directional control wall. It has a 4 port and 2 spool position. In one position of the spool, it connects P port to A and B port to T port. In the other position of spool, it connects P port to B port and A port to T port. Okay, this valve is 4x2 or 4-way 2 position directional control valve is used to operate double acting cylinder. Okay, so this is a construction. In figure shows construction of 4-way and 4-way 2 position sliding spool type directional control valve and its symbol also we can show here. So this is a construction of 4x2 sliding spool type directional control valve, and this is a symbol of a 4-way 2 position DCV directional control valve. Okay, in that lecture we see different types of directional control valves. Okay, its type, its construction and symbolic presentation and its use. Okay, where it can be used in a industrial in a hydraulic and pneumatic circuit, and its basic construction, its symbolic presentation. Okay, so today we stop here. Thank you.